Are you seeking an adrenaline-pumping adventure that combines the thrill of white water with the breathtaking view of the Himalayas? Look no further than the river rafting in Kullu Manali, India. Here is your comprehensive guide to making the most of this exhilarating experience. Kullu Manali, located in the state of Himachal Pradesh, is a paradise for adventure enthusiasts. The region is renowned for its picturesque landscapes, snow-capped peaks, and the gushing Beas River that offers an exciting platform for river rafting. The ideal time for river rafting in Kullu Manali is during the months of May to June and September to October. These periods provide a perfect balance between the melting snow from the mountains and the manageable water levels. Kullu Manali offers a variety of rapids suitable for different skill levels. You can choose the level of adventure that suits your experience and comfort. Choosing a reputable rafting operator is essential to ensure safety and a memorable experience. Look for operators with experienced guides, proper safety gear, and a good track record. Read reviews, ask for recommendations, and compare packages to find the last one that suits your preferences. River rafting can be physically demanding, so make sure you're in good health and fitness. Follow the safety guidelines provided by your rafting operator, including wearing the provided life jackets and helmets at all times. Attend the safety briefing and listen carefully to your guide's instructions during the rafting expedition. Your rafting operator will provide essential gear like life jackets, helmets, and paddles. Wear comfortable swimwear, quick-drying clothes, and water shoes. Most rafting experiences are guided tours led by experienced professionals who are well-versed in the river's currents and features. Follow their instructions closely as they play a pivotal role in ensuring your safety and successful rafting trip. Many rafting operators offer photo and video packages to capture the excitement of your river rafting experience. Respect the environment and the local communities during your visit. Avoid littering, adhere to the Leave No Trace principle, and follow ethical tourism practices to help preserve the pristine beauty of the region.
So everybody look at you. Say hi. So if you're ready, I say hip hip, you say hooray. Oh yeah, great. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. So guys, how's your feelings before going the rafting? Are you scared? No. And you? Okay, let's go. Woo! मचाएंगे हाँ ठीक है रस्सी पकड़ो छोड़ दे वीरे छोड़ दे उन्हें दुनिया की सोचो की साढ़े बारे bro hold the rope don't leave the rope okay on the rapid so listen everybody wants a extreme rafting right yeah Annie do you have extra cloth for changing Woo-hoo! Yeah. No, it's a hot water. Okay, relax. So everybody look at here. Annie, put your one leg this side. Great, yeah. Okay. Okay, now leave the rope a few minutes. Relax. Look at here. Woo! Shallow and deep. There is around 2-3 feet. In another place like 40, 50. Different, yeah. So you want to jump? Right. high side, go ahead. Hey, go ahead. Woo-hoo! Hey guys, what are you doing? आपको मैं हाई साइड बोल रहा था ना, आगे जाना उस टाइम। हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं अभी। ओके एवरीबॉडी, लेट्स टर्न दिस साइड, टर्न दिस साइड, होल्ड द रोप्स अपोजिट, एनी पुट योर लेग दिस साइड, दिस साइड, दिस साइड, यू टर्न दिस साइड, इधर इधर इधर। या तुम क्या कर रहे? नहीं नहीं वो ठीक है, उधर ही मेरी साइड फेस करने को बोला मैंने। हाँ ऐसे, ये अपोजिट होल्ड करो रोप, अपना लेफ्ट वाले से इनसाइड, इनसाइड से आउटसाइड। हाँ ये एकदम, या ग्रेट। तेरा लहंगा कौन है यार तुम? ओह या वो relax. Okay, leave the rope. Woohoo! मेरे एक दोस्त है वो, हाँ ये बोला। Okay, relax. Okay, now stand up. चलो खड़े हो जाओ. Oh yeah. Annie, you get the long ride, right? तेरे लहंगा आगे क्या, थोड़ा बताओ ना मेरे पे थोड़ा। These are good people. Yeah. Okay, hold them tight, hold them tight. Hold them tight. तो सर कुछ कैसा लगा? आप लोगों का मजा आया एकदम? हैप्पी एंडिंग। Now we are enjoying fully, okay? Fully charged. Alright, so hold in tight, okay? Oh yeah. Annie, you want to go? High side. Go there, yeah. High side, do it. Yoo-hoo! Now, broad your hand like this. Woo! Achieve everything. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah! Ah! Woo-hoo! Okay. No, it's all water. Okay, dear. Hey. Woohoo! So yeah. Woohoo! Yeah! Rock! Yeah! And here is around 50 feet depth. Yes, 50 feet. Woohoo!
River rafting in Kullu Manali is not just an adventure, it's an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Himalayas. Embrace the thrill, savor the stunning landscapes, and create memories that will stay with you for a lifetime. Whether you're an experienced rafter looking for a new challenge, or a first-timer seeking an adrenaline rush, river rafting in Kullu Manali promises an adventure of a lifetime. Prepare, plan, and get ready to conquer the rapids while immersing yourself in the awe-inspiring natural beauty of this Himalayan region. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you find our content valuable and want to support us, subscribing would mean a lot. So, till next time, have a great day.